viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Vision. Today I am making a beautiful scenery with the help of epoxy resin and crushed glass, which I have made myself at home with the help of broken glass and epoxy resin. I am pouring beautiful golden crushed glass in my scenery. It will look very beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you will see beautiful color combination ideas about epoxy resins, jewelry, coaster and wall block. I am pouring some resin after 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.